Today we're going to learn how to use Office UC on the Android platform. Now when you log in, you'll be presented with this lovely screen here. Pressing this little drop down will show all the different categories that we can have. So all, which is currently selected, will show obviously all of your contacts. Online will show those only logged in. Local address book is contacts from your actual mobile phone, and directory will show company records and contacts. Pressing this button here takes us to the dialing interface. Now this will be pretty familiar to anyone who's ever used a mobile phone ever. We're going to type in this very useful number here, and we're going to press VoIP for internet call, and it will do its thing. Here we go. So, keypad on the left, useful as always. We have different controls in the middle here, so there's mute, put them on hold, speakerphone, there's keypad. We can turn it into a video call if we want to. Of course, both of you have to have some form of camera to do this. If we go ahead and press the new call button in the bottom right here, we can add a new voice call or a new video call. Fortunately, we're going to cancel that for the moment, and pressing the three dots in the bottom right, we can choose to transfer to mobile, or create a conference call. Pressing the big red button ends the call as normal. Now if we receive a call, we can either accept or decline as usual, so we're going to accept in this case, and it will take us to the exact same interface as an outgoing call. Press keypad, the keypad slides in on the left, all the same features, none of the hassle. So we can press the big red button to end it. The chat tab here can be used to talk to other Office UC users. Very helpful. And we move on to the calls log. So the blue arrow means an outgoing call, the red arrow being deflected means you missed a call, and the green incoming arrow means a call successfully connected. Next I'm going to talk about My Room. Now My Room can be used for conference messaging and hosting conference calls. We saw earlier in the dial interface that there was an option for conference calls, and this offers similar functionality to that. And the last part I want to talk about is this main menu. Pressing on the green flag at the top left of any of your screens will open up this menu. Your name should be displayed at the top, and we have four options here: call settings, preferences, about, and help. Now call settings allow you to define what default method of calling you want to resort to. Preferences allow you to change the actual application preferences, so whether you automatically save your password on login. About allows you to view software information, like the version number. Help will open up a web browser with various help articles about the software. And the button at the bottom, Sign Out, will sign you out of the application completely.